When I went to FIT, one thing I don't really remember being taught is the idea of form versus function. And that's interesting to me because even though it wasn't clearly named, it affects everything we design. Whether you're a fashion designer, or a fashion student, or even a creative working outside of fashion, the distinction can change how you think about what you're making. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the difference between form and function. Why? Because it matters. So what is form? When we talk about form, we really are talking about the visual side of design, like shape and silhouette and proportion, color, texture, right? This is usually the part that draws people into fashion in the first place. It's expressive, it's creative, it's exciting. And in school, a lot of the emphasis naturally goes here, right? How something looks, how it photographs, how it presents. There's nothing wrong with that. Form matters, but form is only one side of the equation. Function, on the other hand, is about purpose. What is this garment actually meant to do? Is it meant to keep you warm, allow them to move, fit into a specific lifestyle or context? Function includes things like comfort, wearability, fabric choice, how the garment behaves when someone is living their life in it. One important thing to say here is that form and function are not enemies. It's not creativity versus practicality. The strongest design are usually the ones where these two support each other. When function is clear, form often becomes more focused, not less. Constraints don't kill creativity, they give it direction. And once you start consciously asking, what is this meant to do? The design decision tend to get cleaner. This doesn't only apply to fashion. You can use this lens in other creative fields like content creation and branding, art, even business. What is the form and what is the function? Form and function. It's not either or, it's both and. Form and function together create functional beauty. It's a way of seeing, and once you start noticing it, it quickly changes how you create. Especially if you're a student or someone still finding your voice, this is a distinction worth sitting with. Not to limit your creativity, but to support it. So, in conclusion, start becoming aware of form versus function.